The coming of the computerized coin, AMP, in the year 2020 is a critical commitment by DeFi to the whole world, not on the grounds that there are relatively few late players during the pandemic, but since very few have decided to work from an alternate organization by and large, standing a class separated as far as beginning and execution. AMP is known to run on Flexa organization, collateralizing installments as a computerized token. Likewise, there is an itemized AMP value forecast referenced here. A definitive goal of this token is unequivocally something similar to ensure exchanges and innate information, making them more moment and secure. Based on the Ethereum blockchain as per the ERC20 standard for tokens, AMP provides clients with the comfort of trading in fiat or some other computerized cash. Flexa organization's local symbolic AMP has made moment installment approvals conceivable, stopping the course of exchanges. It is to the client's honor that they can stake and ensure any type of significant worth trade, be it computerized installments, government-issued money trade, credit circulations, property deals. From there, the sky is the limit. A devoted class of specialists and financial backers has an AMP, the organization's local symbolic co-created by Flexa organization and consensus. A thought that changed into a progressive ERC20 token making waves on the AMP crypto trade and comparative innovation. AMP token. The less popular realities is significant in addition to of AMP is that one can execute rates as the organization grows, adding to a remarkable expansion in the quantity of diggers, upheld by a vigorous and high data transfer capacity public blockchain stage. The issue AMP has tended to is the openness issues and catching false or deceptive exchanges by peers wherein an affirmed block can follow the former block. AMP is an Ethereum-based token, and it goes about as insurance for installments that are made utilizing the Flexa organization and comparative advancements. The groundwork of AMP depends altogether on the numerical consistency of the whole blockchain-empowered exchange, which is cross-checked without uncovering any information or message on the other party engaged with the exchange. Thus, security deterrents are captured first. A notable trademark that hangs out in this convention is that it guarantees liquidity and guarantees lightning-quick speed of exchanges on the organization. This distinguishable characteristic makes it remarkable contrasted with other Ethereum-based decentralized money conventions and, simultaneously, lays out a plenty of mining roads. Going by the specialized examination, AMP's cost has had a notable journey since its send-off, which could be the principal justification for its fame. The ongoing cost of AMP remains at $0, with a market cap of $156,213,685. The 24-hour exchanging volume of AMP coins remains at $21,223,704, with a flowing stockpile of 42,227,702,186 AMP. In light of verifiable information, the coin began its excursion at $0, and it supported this cost level till February 2021. Afterward, it enrolled an unexpected spike and crossed 3 cents. From that point forward, it kept on exchanging reasonably till June. On June 16th, AMP recorded an unequaled high of 12 cents. In any case, from that point forward, the coin denoted a sharp drop. In 2022, things turned less fortunate for AMP as the cost consistently exchanged the downtrend. Presently, in 2023, the token has denoted a respectable recuperation and keeps on exchanging around $0. In light of our AMP cost expectations, AMP is a terrible long-haul speculation. The cost guess for long-term end is $0. Toward the start of December 2023, the AMP cost may be around $0 to our AMP conjecture. Most extreme cost $0, least cost $0. The typical AMP cost for the month will be around $0. AMP figure toward the month's end is $0. The cost of AMP is anticipated to reach at least degree of 1 cent in 2025. The AMP cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of 1 cent with the typical cost of 1 cent all through 2025. In the primary portion of 2024, the AMP cost will move to $0. In the final part, the cost would add $0 close the year at $0, which is plus 75% to the ongoing cost. By taking a gander at the extremely ongoing cost changes in AMP, our estimate framework predicts AMP could be generally $0 2023. In view of the AMP verifiable cost information, we foresee the AMP cost could be 2 cents toward the finish of 2025. The vertical pattern has been anticipated simply on the benefits of AMP, viz. Security and dependability. AMP is a computerized security token that offers evident confirmations of collateralization for a steam move. A further impact on costs for this guarantee token should be visible in light of the inflow of assets by monetary foundations and security token financial backers in the long haul. AMP Value Forecast 2023. AMP has laid out a quick, solid biological system and works with the client experience of the item. These highlights can assist the AMP with getting gain a lot greater cost of $0. On the off chance that the drive for a utilitarian AMP crypto world go on into 2023, the AMP cost might try and see a worldview rush. Furthermore, subsequently, as per AMP cost expectation, it will be productive to put cash in AMP at the ongoing cost to procure great returns from here on out. AMP Crypto Value Expectation 2024. There is no certain shot digital money gauge for any of the current crypto coins. Taking into account the verifiable information in digital currency markets, AMP is good to go to certify areas of strength for its as a significant fascination among its clients, accomplices, and dealers' local area. Many theories are proceeding for AMP, particularly keeping in context the specialized headways and blasting areas of progress the corporate has plans on. There is an estimate that the AMP cost might reach $0. The blessing has been finished by significant security and adaptability highlights. The astonishing special endeavors might wrap up, making the clients collect the increases. AMP Crypto Value Forecast 2025. The usefulness behind AMP is cut by driving forces. By 2025, the token is set to hurry up with other cryptographic forms of money to show up at a greatest cost of 1 cent. A stunning good faith is anticipated for AMP predominantly because of its reliable presentation over the course of the following couple of years. Subsequently, merchants ought to allude to our AMP estimate before they put resources into AMP. AMP Estimate 2026. Clients can properly investigate things and remember AMP for their portfolio alongside different coins for bringing in cash fundamentally sooner rather than later. Supported by strong brilliant agreements, the AMP cost may handily contact 1 cent before the year's over 2026. AMP Expectation 2027. AMP Cryptographic money specialists generally plan for long-haul cost targets as opposed to momentary speculations, with a touch of tolerance and keeping their expectations high in the drawn-out AMP value. Financial backers can expect a circle back toward the finish of 2027 as the reception of AMP would develop dramatically, by when AMP would be not anymore a gullible participant in the realm of digital forms of money, yet a carefully prepared player is turning 1 cent. AMP Value Expectations 2028. AMP might support an inspirational perspective on the off chance that the cost exchanges with numerous bullish moves. The street ahead is brimming with pedals, gave the speculation guidance or certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the cost, taking it to cross all obstructions and scaling 2 cents. AMP Value Estimate 2029. In the event that the market keeps on being good, the AMP cost is set to break all boundaries and perform richly, scaling the top in 2029 according to our AMP gauge, violating all impediments over the course of the year. The AMP token will certainly cross 2 cents. AMP Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, the AMP token will have a greatest cost of 3 cents with a base cost of 2 cents all year long. Simultaneously, the AMP crypto may exchange at a normal of 3 cents in 2030 in light of our AMP estimate. Is AMP crypto a wise speculation? Indeed, AMP is a wise speculation whenever contributed at the right incentive as long as possible. The token is supposed to exchange at a limit of around 3 cents by 2030. Individuals really do have this misinterpretation as AMP cryptographic forms of money are inclined to instability and furthermore have high gamble. It is a similar case, however, with other government-issued types of money too. Notwithstanding, AMP has gone the distance.